RSCC. Proud of our past, positioned for the future. Developing advanced cables for the next generation of nuclear power plants. Providing leading-edge cable technology for deep-water subsea oil and gas well monitoring. Pioneering low-smoke, zero-halogen products for improved life safety. Setting new levels of fire survivability performance for critical circuits. Supporting the diverse needs of the new fleet of global underground miners. This is today's Rockbestos Supreant Cable Corporation, providing innovative cable solutions for the most demanding applications. RSCC is a member of the Marmon Wire Cable Group, with 13 member companies, 20 locations, and revenues in excess of $2 billion. It is the fastest growing supplier of specialty wire and cable products in North America. The Marmon Wire Cable Group is a Berkshire Hathaway company. We specialize in engineered products resistant to the effects of chemical, extreme temperature, radiation, moisture, corrosion, fire, and other use hazards, providing optimal effectiveness under conditions where ordinary cables fail to perform. Founded in 1918, its origins began in 1913 with a young inventor named J. Allen Heaney. A contemporary of Thomas Edison, the Heaney Laboratory occupied part of the original Eli Whitney factory. Patterned after Edison's Menlo Park and located in Hamden, Connecticut, here Heaney developed and patented the process for applying fibrous inorganic insulation on electrical wire. In 1918, Marlin Rockwell, a wartime subsidiary of Marlin Firearms, acquired Heaney's patents and processes and then formed the Insulated Wire Division. The Rockbestos name first emerges, and a 90-year heritage of innovation begins. In 1922, Rockbestos moved to a new factory on Nichols Street in the city of New Haven, where it remained for 70 years. The superior performance of this unique insulation to resist degradation from high heat and continued flexing found many uses in transportation, industry, and newly electrified kitchens. In 1924, the New Haven Railroad urgently needed a solution for devastating fires generated by faulty cables on electrical locomotives, resulting in the development of a hugely successful product. This marked the origin of our long history with the rail industry. Canadian stove manufacturers who bought Rockbestos wire discovered that on the long sea voyage to Australia and New Zealand, moisture penetrated the insulation, causing costly rewiring. By adding varnished cambric tape over the conductor, Rockbestos solved the problem, establishing the AVC product line as the benchmark for heat, fire, and moisture resistance cables. This versatile AVC design was then utilized to solve similar problems that occurred on mining machines operating in underground coal mines and on commercial and military ships. Patents issued in 1932 allowed Rockbestos to license our technology for the design and manufacture of type AVA cable to manufacturers such as General Electric, Oconite, Anaconda, Phelps Dodge, Phillips, and others. In 1938, Rockbestos installed its first plastic extruder, paving the way for the next generation of cable technology. The advent of World War II brought Rockbestos technology to the aid of our country. Now regarded as a leader in ruggedized designs for harsh environments, Rockbestos products were ideal for critical military applications. After the U.S. Navy determined that only Rockbestos cable would endure a catastrophic onboard fire, it adopted the patented AVC design for the fleet. This turned out to be a life-saving decision which enabled the USS Franklin to make a 13,000-mile journey home under its own power after withstanding a horrific kamikaze attack off the coast of Japan. Lightweight, heat-resistant, firewall aircraft wire became a mainstay in military aircraft. Originally developed to withstand intense heat generated by vacuum tubes and radios, Rockbestos wiring evolved into the standard for engines, flight control, and weapons systems. For many years, anything that flew likely had wire from Rockbestos aboard. True to its innovative roots, in 1948, Rockbestos introduced PNR, a unique control cable that combined polyethylene with a thin coating of nylon. This tough, durable, revolutionary design greatly reduced size and became widely accepted by the cable industry. Copied by many, this innovation was the genesis of today's basic building wire, UL-type THHN. The post-World War 50s launched a technology explosion, and the jet age captured the imagination of America. Based on its well-established aircraft experience, Rockbestos immersed itself in developing state-of-the-art cables, specifically designed to meet the demanding needs of the emerging aerospace age. FireZone's unique capability to endure extreme high temperatures while still maintaining circuit integrity made it ideal for flight-critical applications. Industry leaders Douglas Aircraft, Boeing, Lockheed, Grumman, and many others soon came to rely on FireZone in pioneering designs from Rockbestos. The 60s gave birth to the space race, with national security and pride at stake. In this arena, Rockbestos was a significant contributor to our nation's progress, paving the way for Rockbestos' leadership role for decades to come. The Navy selected Rockbestos wire for the first nuclear submarine, Nautilus, launched in 1954. The success of the Navy's nuclear power program inspired electric utilities to invest in construction of nuclear power generating stations. In the late 60s, feverish construction ensued as the nation envisioned nuclear power as the answer to our future energy needs. Recognizing opportunity and intrigued by technical challenges of this significant new market, Rockbestos became one of the first manufacturers to supply qualified cable. Starting in the mid-70s, Rockbestos began a 30-year period filled with critical facility and technology decisions that would forever shape its future. Spurred by success and rapid growth in the nuclear market, Rockbestos embraced an exciting new cross-linking technology and constructed a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. This would once again solidify its position as an innovation-driven leader. The electron beam irradiation process exposes cable to high levels of electrical energy for the purposes of cross-linking or altering the chemical structure of the polymer material. This greatly enhances durability, resistance to heat and chemical attack, and many other physical properties. It also provides superior electrical properties as the resulting materials are cleaner, eliminating residual contaminants associated with vulcanization. Additionally, irradiation permits cross-linking of many new materials once considered unsuitable under conventional techniques. This technology inspired the Firewall 3 product line, which became the flagship product for numerous industrial markets and emerged as the product of choice for the nuclear industry. Faced with trying economic times, Rockbestos made the difficult decision to close its aging New Haven facility and relocate operations to East Granby. The combination of Rockbestos and Supreant brought together the two leading manufacturers of high-end specialty cable in North America. The beauty of this merger was that there was little crossover in markets, while both companies shared common ideology with respect to innovation, research, and product development. Additionally, Supreant, like Rockbestos, was highly invested in the electron beam irradiation process. Combating adverse economic conditions in 2004, Rockbestos reluctantly concluded it must close the outdated Clinton facility and relocated operations to East Granby. Unlike previous moves, this involved relocation of massive irradiation units and significantly expanded the East Granby infrastructure. In spite of all these changes and transitions, RSCC kept its focus on innovation, technology, and problem solving. Many of the cables developed during this period have become synonymous with product excellence in the markets they serve. This drive for technical excellence, along with a focused commitment to served markets, has uniquely positioned RSCC the leader in many vital markets.
Hi, I'm Dennis Chalk, President of RSCC. Continuous innovation, accompanied by our strong adherence to 80-20 principles, has made RSCC the premier engineered wire and cable manufacturer in the world. Through business segmentation, adaptation of lean manufacturing principles, and key customer focus, we feel strongly that we've created a company that is well positioned to handle the challenges of an ever-changing, complex global business environment.
For the past 30 years, RSCC has been the leading supplier of nuclear-qualified cables throughout North America. Its vast array of low-voltage control, power, instrumentation, and specialty cables can be found in all operating plants within the United States. As the unquestioned technical leader, RSCC is currently working with key industry leaders in preparation for the rebirth of nuclear and the technological challenges facing the next generation of reactors. Over the past decades, both of North America's two leading locomotive manufacturers have come to depend on the quality and performance of RSCC's Exane product line. As they extend their reach across the globe, RSCC is again leading the way with its unique low-smoke, zero-halogen technology. Over 90% of all transit vehicles operating in North America utilize RSCC's Exane. Its performance record is unparalleled, and it is clearly established as the benchmark for success in this industry. RSCC's historical leadership in the area of fire safety is unprecedented and continues today with new products that advance technology and enhance life safety initiatives. In recognition of this new level of achievable performance, national codes and standards are evolving to mandate these advances in an effort to further protect lives and property in the event of a fire. With equipment scattered around the globe, electric lift manufacturers have reliability and service considerations that cannot tolerate cable failures. That's why the leading manufacturers of both man and material lifts rely on RSCC cable. For over 40 years, RSCC has been the vendor of choice for the leading manufacturer of underground mining machines. In this extremely demanding environment, there's no room for second best. The offshore oil business is no place for the inexperienced. RSCC has provided service to nearly 2 generations of rig workers. In this hostile, remote environment, Exane is considered a reliable member of the crew. Now, when energy is recognized as a critical and scarce resource, RSCC's downhole sensor technology is assisting oil companies and service providers with the means to farm deep subsea wells with greater efficiency.
We're extremely proud of our 90 years of continuous innovation, and we salute the thousands of employees that have made our success through the years possible. We also salute the key customers that have provided us the opportunities, challenges, and resultant business opportunities that made this all possible.
Calvert Wire and Cable has been a distributor of Rockbestos products for over 20 years. Together we have established a true partnership to grow sales of engineered wire and cable products. From all of us at Calvert, we congratulate Rockbestos on reaching the milestone of 90 years in business and look forward to a great future together. Congratulations.
Since 1980, Electrical Wire has been distributing Rockbestos Supreant's premier line of transportation cable, Exane. Exane for the locomotive industry, Exane for the transit vehicle industry. On behalf of all the employees of Electrical Wire, we'd like to congratulate Rockbestos Supreant for their milestone of 90 years and wish them the best for the future.
Congratulations to every one of you at Rockbestos on this your 90th year. I know you have many accomplishments to be proud of. I'm Hank Prossi with Arriva NP, and I've had the distinct privilege and pleasure of working directly with many of you over the last 15 years. Together we've built over 5,000 cable assemblies for the nuclear industry. As many of you know, Arriva NP is the world's largest nuclear supplier, providing everything from uranium mining through fuel reprocessing. With the nuclear renaissance, we at Arriva NP look forward to working with you for many more years to come. Congratulations on your success, and thank you for all of your hard work.
In material handling, cable applications, our product literally has to meet 1 million flex cycles. And given that our cables are installed on literally 1,000 pieces of aerial platform machines, it's important that we not only have the design right, but that we supply the cable consistently. What RSCC does for us is not only give us the engineering expertise to meet the demands of the application, but their high level of quality manufacture ensures that we have a consistent product.
Hello, I'm Gary Mausner, Vice President of Sales for Tyco Thermal Controls, and I'm very pleased to be here today to join in RSCC's celebration of 90 years of being in business. Congratulations to Dennis Chalk and his entire team for a terrific milestone. I'm also here to talk about an important business decision that was reached by our two companies. You see, we were both serving our commercial and industrial customers with demanding fire-rated applications separately, but together we form an important powerhouse of solutions unparalleled in the industry. And so a decision was made to form a partnership where Tyco Thermal Controls would be the sales and marketing arm for the combination of both companies' products. RSCC's best-in-breed polymerics and Tyco Thermal Controls' MI mineral insulated cables. Put together with 160 years of combined service, it guarantees our customers one-stop shop and the best of the best. Congratulations once again to RSCC. We're proud of your 90-year accomplishment, and we look forward to being a part of the next 90. Thank you.
We're equally excited about our future. Through joint ventures, acquisition, and plant expansion, and most importantly, manufacturing excellence. It is our plan to build on these 90 years and create a company that will thrive for many generations to come. Thanks for being a part of our history, and we look forward to working with you to create a successful future.
RSCC, proud of our past, positioned for the future.